virtual drive. Example, these two drives that I've made. One of them is 128. So how do you make these drives? So you need to go is right click on the start menu and click on the disk called disk management. Click on it. It will open disk called disk management, which is called device or even application. And click on action, then click on create VSD, then click on browse, which I am already on the desktop, but mostly it will go under downloads documents option. Then let's name it test. It will show all of my how my VSD drives looks like. Click on the VSDX. Now select a drive. I'll literally go 100 oh wait, it's still supposed 64. I mean 5 terabytes. Yes, 5 terabytes. Then click on the OK button. Then go on the OK. Fold the because I'm using a desktop mode, so it will show the drive on my desktop. Then scroll down to find this thing called this. di- If you have OneDrive, it will show disk too. So here's home. And right click on it. Click on initialize disk. It will say GPT. Then click on this one. It will now say online. Then right click on it. What the? I will click on the new simple volume. Click on the next. Click on this. And let's assign the drive letter. Like I'm choosing A because it was there. And we will use it. That's it. And you're naming anything. If you want to name it, right click on it, change letter and drive path. It will literally show. I mean, how do I change? I don't care. But it's still how my drive looks like. So to check it, go to this PC or File Explorer from it to show all my main drive. Yes. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And you can comment anything about how many tips and tricks you can do. So see you in the next tips and tricks. Bye.